What up? Welcome, Martin. I'm doing good. How are you? Amrith, how's it going? Gene, Adam? What's up, Brian? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do some UI stuff on the Chico HQ website. So as you can see here, I've got a bit of it done in Webflow, and I've made a video about that. That's coming out this Friday. But yeah, got the majority of the homepage done. What I need to get done now is I need to think through the blog post page, as well as what the blog index and the product page and the product single page would look like. So yeah, this is what I got so far for the blog single page. Still needs work. I need to add stuff to it. Yeah, man, you should definitely check out Webflow. It is fantastic. I'm going to be doing some Webflow stuff here on Chico and on my channel at some point. All right, so I think how I'm going to start is I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. Which screenshot was that? There we go. What's up, Lazar? Cody, how's it going? All right, so I'm just going to copy these, get them over here. All right, so if you notice at the top, I have this green bar. So that actually correlates with the color of the actual blog post. I'm not sure. It was just an idea I was going to try. I do kind of like it. It adds some personality to it. So one thing I really wanted to make sure I do with this page is keep it super clean and focused on the content. But I still want to incorporate other stuff in there as well. For example, I need to either add some related blog post, or I also maybe want to do some products from the store, or maybe a call to action to sign up for the newsletter. I'm not quite sure. That's what I'm going to play with tonight. Hopefully they introduce Interactions 2.0 this year for Webflow. Yeah, I think they got some cool stuff. I'm not sure about the interactions, but they got some cool stuff coming down the pipeline. I actually had a chat with one of the co-founders of Webflow the other day, and he told me some of the stuff that's coming along. Super excited for it. All right. Also, is the music too loud for you guys? Can you let me know? All right, so I know what I did was this column was, I think, 700 pixels wide. Yeah, so I'm gonna stick with that. So I'm gonna make something 700 pixels, and if you, a trick I picked up, if in the corner on the size, if you type 700C, it will center it. Oh, maybe it doesn't work. Maybe that works differently. Never mind, that was wrong. All right, so I actually forgot how to create guides. Is it? Yeah, there we go. So create one right there and one right here. Cool, get rid of that. Cool, glad the music's not too loud. Actually, I was gonna recreate all this stuff, but like, I don't really need to. What I want to think through is the bottom part of this page. Yeah, so I want to work on the related articles and figure out what those should look like. Yes, keystroke visualizer. Sorry, dude. Where is that? Keycaster, here we go. Cool. Did I change the schedule? Nope, just added a second day to it. So still gonna do Saturday mornings. All right, so I'm gonna grab this stuff. All right, so I need to take some elements from here, but I was thinking having either 2 or 3 at the bottom. So it probably need to look a bit different. Maybe stacked or something. Or maybe I don't even need the image. I don't know. Let's play with a few different ideas. It's 3 a.m. at the moment here, so for most I watch when I got a notification. You crazy, dude. All right, let's make both of these like 8 pixels and these 2 corners 0. Same with these. All right, I'm gonna actually add in some filler text. So we'll make that 500. Let's see what color that was. All right, so we got a little bit to work with. Let's drag the artboard down. Person to person, when do you think Chico will launch? I'm hoping to launch Chico this month in March. But I still have quite a bit of work to do, so I don't have an exact date yet. So I'm wondering if 3 columns make sense. So let's see, let's just play with this a little bit. I'm going to shrink that down to maybe like 22 pixels. Let me check out Slip some. Oh, Samuel L. Lipson. This is awesome. Gonna change this music because it is a little bit too much. There we go. Better. Wonder if I could end each blog post with a little Chico. That might be kind of cool. Yeah, like a Chico signature. I also thought maybe I should have a about me section, like about the author, because all the posts, at least at the beginning, will be by me, but eventually I might do guest posts. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe I should play around with that too. Will I be coding the website as well? Yes and no. So I'm going to be using a site called Webflow to create the site. So it's kind of like coding without coding. What if I ditch the excerpts just to like shorten it up? It's not bad. Maybe what I could do is this. Actually, let me undo all that. Freaking things. Why are you doing that? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't like that. So maybe 3 columns is the way to go. Hey, what's up, David? So Chico's going to be teaching and resources and eventually like apparel and like posters and stuff. But at the beginning, it's going to be teaching and resources. Yeah, for sure, David. How does this YouTube vlog help you with your skills? Well, I've been practicing illustrations a lot, and I don't feel like I've improved a lot because I haven't done too many. But I feel like I've definitely gotten a little bit better. Well, curious to what you'll use to power it behind the scenes. Yeah, so I'm going to use a combination of both Webflow and Coach. So webflow.com and withcoach.com. So Webflow is going to be what I'm going to use to sell my resources and all that. Or no, Webflow is going to be what I'm going to use to actually build the site. Coach is going to be what I'm going to use to like sell all the resources and such. What do you guys think? Should I include social share buttons on the post, or are those kind of like irrelevant nowadays? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you think. What's up, Kay? 325, how's it going? Hey, Mason, I'm definitely going to do some Webflow tutorials. Not exactly sure if I'm going to do a Webflow tutorial on the Chico, on building Chico, but I'm definitely going to do some. Yeah, Webflow is, here's the pricing. All right, so far, 2 thumbs up, 2 down. That doesn't help, guys. Yeah, I'm leaning towards no, because I personally never use them either, but I'm not sure what other people do. Giovanni, how's it going, man? All right, so let's play with another layout for the related posts. Because I feel like maybe 2 columns, just like a bit wider, would be cool. I'm going to be using Webflow, man. Whoops. Whoops. Spencer, I have not tried XD yet. Do want to play with it though. Thanks, Cody. Appreciate that, dude. So I'm kind of feeling like this is going to be too cluttered, which I definitely do not want to do. I want the focus to be on the post itself. So I'm not quite sure. What up, dude? I think I might ditch the from the shop stuff. I just feel like it's too much. And maybe even like the newsletter sign up. It's for sure still in data or beta, but it's so quick and clean. Just need the resources plus plugins. And I think it can beat Sketch. For better or worse, Adobe knows what they're doing. So you're saying I should probably create my resources for Adobe XD as well? I was planning on focusing mostly on Sketch, but maybe I should look into XD too. I say PSD sketch and XD. Yeah, I get it. That's a lot of work though. I see a login button in the navigation bar. What will that be for? So I'm going to be using Coach to sell all the resources and for courses I make. So if you buy anything, course or digital asset, anything, you'd log into the Coach site to download that or access the course. Mackenzie, have you ever used InVision? Yeah, InVision's awesome. It's great for collaborating, and it can do some prototyping, but I don't use it too much for that. I think I'm going to jump into Webflow and actually play around. All right, so let's go to the blog post template. All right, so at the bottom, I was thinking about having that bar. I'm just gonna add the logo for now, I think. So post main content, let's add some padding on the bottom. Say 100 for now, or some margin on the bottom. Let's put this inside of the, oh, I actually won't be able to do that because it's dynamic. Any videos about Webflow on the pipeline? I want to learn how to do something really contemporary and useful. Well, most of their lessons haven't really been. Yeah, absolutely. Planning, definitely going to be doing some Webflow stuff for sure. Looks about right. Oh, I'm not doing a Webflow video on Friday. I have a video coming out talking about everything I've been working on. But it won't be a Webflow tutorial. All All right, let's do a section. Call this related articles. Get a heading in there, make it an H2. You might also like make this all caps, black, and a bit smaller. Yeah, like 25. How about watch me practice 008 in Spanish? If I knew how to speak Spanish, I would do that. All right, let's try to get these things going. And have you send some feedback to the Webflow team in regards to that? What are you talking about, Brian? Could you briefly describe what you're doing? So I'm actually coding this up, or visually coding it in Webflow. So this is actually what I'm using to build the site. All right, so let's do, let's put a div in here. We'll call this articles, or maybe posts. Related posts. Do 2 columns up in here. Related posts would be, how wide should those be? If it's 700, maybe like 900. Just go with that for now. Oh, gotcha, Brian. Giovanni, no, I'm using a site called Monster Cat for the music. I got a little subscription to them so I can use it while I'm streaming. All right, so the top would be, let's see how I did it on the homepage. Post thumbnail, post content. Actually, no, I wonder if I can just copy this over to this page. Nice, kind of. Post thumbnail related. Uh-oh. Did not mean to do that. Messed up the homepage stuff. I think this is 65% is what it was. I'm not exactly sure what I did. Oh well, I'll fix that later. I love your room style. Thanks, dude. I am curious what you have to say when it comes to getting your name out there. Let's see. Sorry, my mind just went blank. Really just do cool work and share it with people. Practice in public is what I'm trying to do, and I think that works. Also, add value to other people's lives definitely helps too. Teaching is a fantastic way to do that because it helps the community, helps other designers and such, but also helps you grow as a designer or developer or whatever you do. Yeah, no problem, dude. Let's make this max with 95%. Oh, let's get rid of this post related post. The Feynman technique. Let's check that out. Cool. I'll give that a watch later. Why am I not working in Avanto Market? I don't really like marketplaces like that. I know they've been known to like kind of like sell stolen work and like not treat creators very well. So I'm gonna build my own little marketplace and sell my assets on Chico HQ. Cool. All right, so that's looking good. Now let's get that footer in there too. Let's go to the home page. I think what I'm going to do is make this footer a symbol. That way I can use it on this page too. Beautiful. All right, let's make this a bit smaller. And then I don't think this needs nearly as much margin on the bottom, if any actually. Yeah, let's just remove it. Oh, were you talking this one? Watch/v equals, yeah, that looks about right. Cool, I'll watch that later, man. So I'm not quite sure the best way to do this. I could export the whole thing as a SVG. Actually, that might just be easiest. Let's do that. Make it a SVG, export it to the desktop for now. Let's replace the image. Oops, upload it. And let's change the width. Maybe like 225. That looks pretty good. All right, let's make this dynamic. So I think I can just do that by where's it at? Oh, here it is. Duh. All right, so can I just drag that directly in there? Shoot. There it is. Cool. All right, so this is the dynamic stuff. Let's filter. I only want, where's the sort order? Oh, here it is. Limit. Not sure what I just did. I only want to show 2 of them. Perfecto. Cool, so I can actually just delete this row. Don't really need that anymore. Alright, I'm gonna fix that one. Let's go to CMS. I'm just gonna add in that image. I'll just use this image for now. These should probably have a max height, I think. Post thumbnail image, related post thumbnail image. Max height, I don't know, like 250 pixels. Cool. Obviously I need to fix that image, but it's all dynamic now. That's pretty awesome. Maybe I should add a min height on the post content. That way they're all the same. Okay, go away. Maybe 275 pixels, that seems pretty good. Oh, the footer is actually in the wrong thing. It's actually inside the related articles, which it should not be. Here we go. Giovanni, design Chico, probably have your real Chico near you. It's good things now. I always code with my cat on my keyboard. He's actually out in the living room right now. How can you code with a cat on your keyboard? That's funny. What program am I using? I am using Sketch for the mock-up and Webflow to actually like visually code it up. You want to see a real Chico? Do you follow his Instagram? I post pictures of him all the time. It's _ Chico the cat if you want to check it out. Let me see. There we go. Well, this got all messed up somehow. Not exactly sure what happened. I'm gonna have to go back in and fix all that. This is looking pretty good though. Oh, you know what I think's going on is I'm using the same class twice, which, yeah, that's not good. I'm going to do There we go. This, let's make it 500. The main color, and give it some margin on the top. Cool. Actually, that color is a bit dark. Maybe the secondary color. Better. Cool. I think next, I don't really have time for it tonight because I only had an hour, but I'm gonna add in a little slide in header. So like as you scroll down the page, it will like drop down or bounce in or something. Probably something that looks like this. I also had another idea of maybe making a illustration of Chico, like announcing something on like one of those megaphone things. To sign up for the newsletter and then put an input there. So I could get rid of the navigation and instead just have like simple like sign up box like so. Obviously it wouldn't look like this. Actually, I'm just going to design that real quick. Grab the Chico color. Get rid of that border. Add some border radius on the two edges. Actually, what if it came from the bottom instead? What do you guys think? As you scroll, would it be better to have something slide up from the bottom and just have a little sign up form there, or from the top? I think either could be pretty cool. I think from the bottom, so you said, yeah, as you scroll down, I'm thinking either it could slide up from the top or the bottom. Also, I edited this Chico illustration a bit. The eyes ended up being pretty creepy, so I redid it, added some white back in. I think it looks much better now. Scale this down. Thanks, Sazan. Appreciate that, dude. And yeah, I'll let you know. Let's scale this down. Actually, I'm just gonna get rid of that. Let's copy this one. Cool, and then we can change this to this color. And then that border to F2, F2. Maybe he should be in the center. Something like that would be kind of cool. Cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna implement something like this. I'll probably play around with the positioning and layout of it, but I do like this idea. But yeah, it's 8 o'clock. That's all I got time for today. So yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. And thank you all for watching. Appreciate you guys jumping on. I'll be doing another live stream Saturday morning if you can catch that one. Not sure what I'm going to do for that one yet, though. But yeah, thanks for jumping on, everybody. Appreciate it. I'll catch you next time. Peace.